Congratulations on your recent Kuat product purchase. We are stoked you are part of the family. Here's a quick video to help walk you through the assembly of your Crossbar Riser Kit for your IBEX. A few things before we get started. Read the user guide before starting the assembly. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for easier assembly. Place 2 T-nuts into the upper T-channel on the driver's side hoop of the IBEX. Place 2 more T-nuts into the lower upper T-channel, positioned directly below the previous 2. Attach the crossbar riser mount to the top T-nuts using 2 M8x20 bolts and 2 M8 washers. Use 2 more M8x20 bolts and 2 more M8 washers to attach the mount to the side T-nuts. Repeat these steps for each crossbar riser mount. Ensure the distance from the edge of each crossbar mount is the same and tighten bolts. Flip the crossbar over and place 2 T-nuts into the left and right T-channels of the crossbars. Attach the crossbar riser tower to the crossbar using M8x20 bolts and 2 M8 washers for each crossbar riser tower. Flip the crossbar back over and place the assembly over the crossbar riser mounts. Choose the desired height of the crossbar riser tower. Attach the crossbar riser tower to the crossbar riser mount using 2 M8x20 bolts and 2 M8 washers. Repeat for the other mounting locations. With both crossbar riser towers assembled, ensure crossbars are aligned left to right and evenly spaced front to back. After alignment, fully tighten all installed T-nuts. For ease of installation, assemble the front molly on a flat surface. Secure drilled and slotted front molly together with 4 M8 by 25 bolts, 8 M8 oversized washers, and 4 M8 nuts. Pre-assemble bolt and T-nut by inserting 1 M8 by 16 bolt through 1 M8 oversized washer, through the right top bolt hole on the front molly, and thread into T-nut. Repeat for the opposite side for the front molly. If front molly is being installed on an existing IBEX, it may be necessary to loosen IBEX truck bed clamps and move the frame away from the truck cab for easier access. Place 1 T-nut into the driver's side vertical IBEX bed rail T-channel and 1 T-nut into the passenger side vertical rail T-channel. Slide the left and right pre-assembled T-nuts of the assembled front molly into vertical T-channels of the IBEX frames. Align the left front molly bottom with previously placed T-nuts and secure using 1 M8 by 16 bolt and 1 M8 washer. Repeat for the opposite side. With bolts secured, tighten top and bottom bolts completely. Finally, with left and right side T-channel bolts secured, fully tighten center M8 by 25 bolts on the front molly. If you have any questions while assembling this product, reach out to our customer service team at info@kuat.com. Don't forget, this product is covered by our No Worries Limited Warranty. We've got your rack and your back.